taxable.
The National Weather Service in Salt Lake City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for north central Washington County in southwestern Utah, south central Iron County in southern Utah, until 4:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 3:39 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles northeast of Almeron Valley, Oregon, 31 miles east of Beaver Dam, moving northwest at 10 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pine Valley, Pinto, and Vio. This includes Utah Route 18 between mile markers 23 and 32. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in Utah, Iron, and Washington.